Now we will edit this photo together. Then in the lighting section I shared in great detail how to set up the photo. And I have 2 pictures. Now I'm going to overlap so I can remove the lamp. Then I will use this photo, I press V to drag over. Because these 2 photos I took with the same composition, the same angle, the same aperture. We very easy to handle. I create a mask. Reset brush to 100%, press B. Then now I will mask the black on top, the white mask on the bottom I erase. The lamp is gone, it's very easy. Then this is the original photo, I will adjust the color, by choosing FineArt color. And I choose the color. I have a lot of colors here, right? Then I will choose this forest orange color. It's the color I designed for these photos. So you see, now I just need to reduce the shadow. Then add more light to the photo. I looked at this histogram and found that this light wasn't enough, so I started adding more. As long as here it touches. That might be enough here. You see, this is very beautiful. Then now I will group the ones that I has brightened together, you see. With the photo I have nice light. Then I just need to go through one step to increase the brightness, it's already very impressive, you see? Before, after. Now to correct this image without distortion, I will show you a way. First, I just fix it first. Pull this dress off, this dress I want it a little bit longer. Because it will be more impressive. Okay, now I will continue to save this picture. I will save this picture. And now I will be out of Photoshop. Leave this photo. Then outside of Photoshop, I will reopen this photo. And now I will pull this picture out. Let I take this top, it's wide. That you see? I don't care about the subject is fine, it's okay. Then continue I will use liquify to let I pull this upper part out again. Let it cover this part completely. I can squeeze these to glide. Then okay, after I have finished editing, now I will choose Y, press Y. You press Y, you will choose here, History Brush Tool. And now I will drag into the subject part. That you see? Then I restored his subject. Note that this feature is only used on the original layer, the background only. That's why I had to out the photo last time. And if keeps retouching, I will not be able to do this, please note this. Then I will see that I have changed this picture. Upper part. I goes back to the history. Here you can see, before, after, I handled this whole part, it's impressive. Then next I can erase these borders to make it real. These borders. You pay close attention. Shift, delete. Delete always here. Then after I delete all these parts. Do you see? Subject skin is so beautiful in this photo, almost no need to adjust the skin. If you want, you can edit more, now I will liquify this photo. The part of the dress here is a bit pointed, I will squeeze it more evenly. In addition, this part is a bit bulging, it feels like this girl is a bit fat. So I will also adjust it. And I will also give this dress a little flutter. Make it impressive. Then these parts adjusted to a more personal preference. Because it also doesn't have a formula that says what a good photo is. Then I squeezed it a little bit. And I will continue to use my block technique. For example, this part of the dress I finds it a bit light, then I will darken it a little bit. Do you see? If the part is light, I will darken it a little bit. I will follow these areas. And the dark part, I will light up. The ribs, the edges right here, the ribs, the edges right here, I will make it stand out so that the dress becomes more prominent. As you can see with this advanced lighting, it's extremely easy to edit the image. The reason why? It's because I've got a picture of it, it's so beautiful. Then I just need the color, then the color I has very unique colors. FineArt quality, available in FineArt Secret already. You just need to use it. Do you see? In addition, skin does not need to be adjusted. And I can block blocks on these trees. These fruits make it stand out. Then when you have a beautiful photo, editing it is extremely easy, extremely fast. The parts I don't want to stand out, I will make it dark, for example these parts. Then you see. Before, after. Just highlighting some details. Do you see? This part of the skin, if I want to do it, is also very easy. I will choose skin. Beauty skin, like the previous parts, I has also guided you. However, in this picture, I feels that he actually doesn't need to do skin. Because it's so beautiful. Then I finished editing this photo.